Hi, I'm Maxine. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm here to show you how I make my magical scalp oil. This is what I use consistently on my natural hair since I've started locks. I do want to preface this by saying this works for my natural hair. The ratio I use might not work for yours, so if you're thinking about making your own hair oil, definitely realize that it's an experimentative process, but you won't regret it. It's just something so fulfilling when you realize you can make your own hair products for your hair. And I really recommend you try what works for me and tweak it to your liking. So stay tuned if you'd like to see how I make my scalp oil.